about this topic of the testimony that we'll have during the combined service. So the verse I have is James chapter 3, verse 17. But the wisdom that comes from heaven is first of all pure, then peace-loving, considerate, submissive, full of mercy and good fruit, impartial and sincere. So this wisdom that comes from God is what comes when we are righteous, when we are right standing with Him. So when we receive the wisdom of God, we become what this is. We become all pure. Then we become peace-loving. We become considerate. We become submissive. We become full of mercy and good fruit, impartial and sincere. So we don't pray for these things because the wisdom of God gave us a new nature, a new way of living, that we will be like this, that we will be all loving. So this is why Jesus tells us to love God with all your heart, all your mind and soul, and to love your neighbor as you do yourself. So by loving God and loving our neighbor, we do all things. We complete the Old Testament's laws, and we also gain the life that we want to live as Christians. So in our life, we learn that we should be bodies of living sacrifices to God. That is our true and proper worship. So what this means is that by giving our body as a living sacrifice to God, we no longer care about how much time we give to God or how much worship we give to God, because time doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter when we worship, because our worship is how we live, and all things that we do is worship. So now, the verse that I also have is 1 Corinthians 10:31. It says, so if you eat, or if you drink, or if you do anything, do it for the glory of God. So when we pray, it builds our relationship with God, and it builds us up. Because speaking in tongue, the word is, it builds us up. So, but God also said to speak in prophecy, it builds the church up. So now, when we live and all things we do it through God. We build our relationship with God up, and we build our wisdom within God up that He gives to us. So now we no longer pray to be less angry, or we no longer pray to be less jealous, but instead we will be, because God is love. That only God's love will be able to bring us to who we want to be.